This is Christopher. Welcome back to CandoSchool, the happy area. So we can learn. Today we are going to try new experiment. So I want you all look at it. I saw one video. See the lemons. One floats, one doesn't float. We already know lemons don't float, but let's see the truth of it. Is it a mint or is it true? Here's all stuff we need. Okay. First you take 2 glasses and here's some water. You pour water into 2 glasses like this. Let's just put a little bit more, shall we? And put the same amount. Okay. Next we put salt in 1 glass. Any glass you like, but 1 glass. Okay, salt water, and you take some salt with you and put it some under it. Okay, now mix this. Okay, now that's all done with this one. In final moment, comment down below to put your answer. Which one will float? Which one will sink? Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Wow! This is floating. This is sink. Do you know why? Because the salt made the lemon lose density and it's floating. But without the salt, the water has made the lemon sink. So because the lemon has more density, here you can have a nice. If you want to know how you can do it, you can do it at home. At long as your mother or your father lets you to do. But you can use any glass, but make sure there is the same amount. Because when I put the salt in medium, but that's okay. By the way, how many times I just put it, it just comes out. So if we add salt to this, let's see what will happen. Let's just put some salt. Okay, we take salt. See, you can have salt. Let's see what to do to this. And let's stir it. Oh, even though I put the salt, why did it not come up? You see? Why didn't it come up even though I put the salt? Because it didn't put it first. I put the lemon first, then water. Okay, so when I put these both things in and put the salt after putting water and lemon, it makes the lemon sink. You're asking why? Even though with the spoon, let's see. Let's do it again. But if you start it from the start, let's see what it's going to do. So I picked it up with my spoon and let's see what it's going to do. Oh! But here I put salt. Here I didn't. I put salt, but it's still sinking. Do you know why? Because the water. Because I already put the lemon and in the water. Okay, and we already know lemon has lots of density. So salt doesn't have that much density. So when we put it